Hello students, you are studying the class 9th surface area and volume chapter number 13. In the previous lecture I have told you all the formulas of this chapter. Now you will see some examples based on cube and cuboid. Example number 1, Mary want to decorate a Christmas tree which is on the one cuboid and whose size is given here. She must know the size of the box is given 80, 40 and 20. 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter it is given a decorative box in this on which the Christmas tree is pasted. And by this Christmas tree, here is the tree. But she want to decorate all around by a square sheet of paper whose size is given 40 centimeter is a 40 centimeter is there. What is given 40 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Your question is find the how much the paper of sheet is required to cover it. Very important thing. First you find out what is the covering. See, you want to decorate, that is the length, breadth and height is given and side is given. So area for sheet is equal to TSA of the cuboid. We will find out the TSA 2LB plus BH plus HA. And then area of one sheet is equal to side square. That we know. So number of sheet is equal to TSA upon area of one sheet. That you put the values, you will get the number of. Example number 2 is given. How will you solve the example number 2? Very simple questions are here. And we will try to find out what is the values only you will put. LBH is there. What is the LBH? It is the L, it is the B and it is the H and it is side. Side is given 40. Here 40 square, this you write and then get the. In example number 2, there is a one water tank which is a cubical type. What is the tank size? Tank size is given cubical. Cubical tank is on the roof of a person who is. Hamid has built a cubical tank up. Cubical tank means all the sides and he want to put the square tile 1.5 meter long. This is 1.5, this is 1.5, this is 1, all in the meter. And he want to put the tile. What is the tile? Tile is a square shape. He gets outer surface of the cupboard by a tile. Tile size is given 25 centimeter. What is given? 25 centimeter. So A is given 25 centimeter. Here it is given 150 centimeter. So except this portion will be not tiles. So rate is given. Your question is given. How much? Find how much would we spend in the tiles? If the cost is given rupees 360 per dozen. Rate is given rupees 360 per dozen. It means cost of one tile. Cost of one tile is equal to 360 upon 12. Rupees 360 upon 12. It is the cost of one tile. So area for tile is equal to TSA minus base. You don't want to put the tile on the base. So TSA minus base means LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. It is TSA minus base is this. TSA means 2LB, 2LB minus LB will be LB. And then area of one tile. Area of one tile is equal to side square. Then number of tiles is equal to area for tile, that is this part, You put the value, find out, divide by area of one tile. So, and then you will get the number. What will you get? Numbers you will get. And this cost is equal to, what answer you will find out here, multiplied by 360 upon 12. You get your answer, the cost. It is a very common thing. Now the exercise 13.1 is given. In exercise we will see exercise 13.1, question number 1 is given. All the things you will solve by yourself. In the calculation formula it is totally based. Exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. What is there? Question number 1, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter broad and 65 centimeter deep. Deep means height. It is open from the top. Top from where? Open from top. It means ignoring the thickness, that find the area of the seat required to make the box. It is a box which is open from the top. Open from the top, you are seeing this part and it is open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places you will put the seat. So first part, area of the seat. Area of seat required to seat for making is TSA minus top. TSA minus top means 2LB plus BH plus HL minus LB will give you LB plus 2BH plus HL. That you put the values and find the answer in meter square, and then cost is also given in the meter. You will find out in meter square. So this will be 0.65 meter. Height you convert into 0.65 meter. Put all the values, find the area. Answer. Second part is given there. Find the cost if the seat is 1 meter square. Rate is given. Rate is given rupees 20 per meter square. So cost is equal to area multiplied by 20. What answer you are getting, multiply, you will get your answer. Question number 2 is given in this. The length and breadth of and height of a room is 5, 4 and 3. Length 5 meter, breadth 4 meter and height 3 meter. It is given. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall and the room and the ceiling of the rate. Ceiling. Ceiling means floor will be not. So area for whitewash. Area for whitewash is equal to 4 walls plus ceiling. That is 2L plus B into H. It is area of 4 wall plus LB. You will get the area, and then cost. Cost is equal to rate multiplied by area. What is the rate given? Rate is given per meter square rupees 750. 750 multiplied by this. Question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter 250 meter. Perimeter of the floor is given. Perimeter means 2L plus B. 2L plus B is given how much? 250 meter. If the cost of the painting of 4 walls, if the cost is given, cost of painting 4 walls is given how much? Rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. 15,000 rupees is the cost. Rate is given how much? Rupees 10. Rate is given per meter square. Rupees 10 per meter square. Find the height of the hall. So first of all, area whitewashed is equal to cost upon rate. What is the cost? 15,000, rate is 10. 10 and 10 cancel. 1500 meter square is the area of 4 wall. It is area of 4 wall. So area of 4 wall, therefore area of 4 wall is perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. You want to find out your question is saying find the height of the wall. 2L plus B into H is equal to 1500. So L plus B is given 250. 250 into H is equal to 1500. Therefore, from here you will get H is equal to 1500 divided by 250. Where 2L plus B is called perimeter. So perimeter is given 50 and this cancel. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15 and 5 6 is 30. What is the height of the room? Is 6 meter. 6 meter is the height of the room. Very simply you are getting. Question number now you will see the question number 4. What is the question number 4 given? In the question number 4, the paint of a certain container is sufficient for painting the area. Paint of the container. Question number 4. One container can paint how much? One container can paint the 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimension? Bricks of dimension, this can be painted out of this container. Out of the area of a brick, it is given meter square, it is given centimeter. So 22.5, length is given 22.5, breadth is given 10 centimeter and height is given 7.5 centimeter. So area of one brick. Area of one brick is equal to TSA. TSA of cuboid 2LB plus BH plus LH. It will be painted. So number of bricks is equal to area by container. How many containers? How many bricks can be painted by this? Upon area of one brick. TSA of one brick. One brick is here, it is painted. So there is it is in the centimeter square. So 9.375 into 100 is changed into centimeter square. Upon what area you are getting from here, that you write at this place. Then you will get the number of brick. One brick, how much paint used? So how many bricks will be used? This type, it is a meter square. So this total area divided by the area of one brick, you will get the number of bricks to be painted. Number of bricks to be painted by this paint. What is given? One container is given which can paint the total bricks. That's all. Rest in the next lecture. Thank you.